Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So those who are new here, I'm Shrishti. I am posting video after a long time. I've been occupied with a lot of things lately, and because I was really productive back month, and I was also having some health issues. I am into corporate right now, and also I have joined gym, so there are a lot of new things that has been added to my routine, and it's a lot of things that has been keeping me busy. This video would be on like how I recovered from, not tell you how much horrible it was to cover all those acne spots and everything, but having major acne, and I was having a lot of dark spots and pigmentations, and back then I was also having textured skin, but now you can barely see anything. There are some dark spots, but it's manageable and like I'm working on it, and you can see the glow after doing the skincare. There are a lot of changes that I would be mentioning, that what products help me bear the acne, cure the acne, and of course girl, you're beautiful like anytime, but of course you need to enhance yourself. You need to have a good skincare routine, so you cannot skip skincare really because so first step of course would be the toner, and I am using this glycolic acid toner by Ordinary. I have been using this from past 6 months. I'm using this from August, and guys, this glycolic acid is really bringing change, because it has really helped me with my darker areas, pigmented areas, and also with the texture of my skin. And you can see how much I have finished already. And applying a toner that is from Anua, and it's a Heartleaf 77% soothing toner. I was using this in my skincare since December, I guess. It really calmed my skin, my redness and everything, so I just dab a good amount into my skin. Moving to my serums, I have finished this Derma serum. Actually works, it really works. It is a Kojic acid face serum that contains alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide. Everything is really important for your face if you're facing the dark spots and acne. You can apply this day and night, so I have already finished it, so I need to buy one. I use this Cetaphil moisturizer, helping me with my sensitive skin, and it is a pharma product, so of course it is really good for me to use it. So this is the staple product that I am having in my skincare, because whenever I break out, I just be consistent with the Cetaphil moisturizer. It is really recommended by the doctors also, so it is also good if you are looking for a calming moisturizer. Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, guys. This sunscreen, oh god, it is a miracle. It's worth the hype. You know, you need to save the money and you need to buy it, because it's really worth it. I just take the 2 pumps, and this sunscreen is really lightweight. You can barely see any white cast over my skin. Glow, what is this glow, guys? And this is because of this sunscreen. It's worth the hype, guys. Korean products, it's clear. See, you cannot see any white cast. It's barely visible. It's not visible, guys. So guys, no white cast sunscreen, we got it. Using this lip balm from LANEIGE, of course, because this was my updated skincare routine that literally changed my skin, and touch wood, I have been consistent with my skincare. My skin is on that stage where it doesn't require any makeup and anything, and I'm really happy because this was manifested in 2025. And yeah, so So guys, all the products I'll be mentioning the link in the description box. Please check down below. I will be attaching all the links where I bought it from, and of course ensure that you're buying the original products. We're attaching the links in the description box where I have bought it from. And if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I would love to hear some recommendations in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.